In this video, I'll show you how to set up seller shipping in TikTok Shop. When you're inside of your TikTok Shop Seller Center, let's click on Shipping and Delivery under the Fulfillment settings. Switching to seller shipping is required in order for a third-party supplier to fulfill your orders. Let's click on Switch option. So you have two options here basically. One is TikTok shipping and the other one is seller shipping. So we can select seller shipping, but when you first try to make the switch, it doesn't let you. That's because you need to create a template first. So we can click on View Templates, click on Create, and then create new template, confirm. So under template name, you can give it a name. I'll name it Beauty Boss because that's a supplier that I'm using. Under Ship From, you want to select the address that you're shipping the products from. Rate model, weight base is fine. Scroll down. So under standard shipping, we can click on edit and we can check Hawaii and also check Alaska. So that way we include all 50 states. So for shipping, you can determine your flat rate. So I'll just enter 5 USD. What we are going to do is actually offer free shipping, but we can just set a flat rate first and I'll show you how to do the free shipping. Let's scroll down and let's click on submit and save the shipping template. Click on save and then you will see a shipping template created. Now let's go to promotions under marketing. Let's scroll down and under shipping fee discount, we can click on create. So here we can create a shipping fee discount. So for the promotion name, we can name it free shipping. Promotion period, indefinite. Shipping areas, all the settings are fine. We can scroll down. Applies to the entire shop. And let's click on agree and publish. And there we have our first promotion, which is a free shipping promotion. So let's go back to fulfillment settings and go to shipping and delivery. And let's go to switch option. And now we can select seller shipping and click on OK. And as you can see here in the middle, we have switched to seller shipping. So that is how you switch to seller shipping inside of TikTok Shop.